Alright, welcome back, folks. So it's Easter tomorrow, and I'm usually in charge of making the Buckeyes, but this year I decided to try to take my Buckeye recipe and change it a little bit and see if we can make some peanut butter eggs for Easter. So let's get in here and get started. Alright, first we're going to take one sleeve of the graham crackers, which should be 1 cup, and we're going to smash them up, and this should give them like that kind of gritty texture if you've eaten the peanut butter Easter eggs, you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna have to crunch that up really, really good, and that's gonna go in our mix. All right, now Chevy's rolling it out with the rolling pin because it says it's gotta be real tiny. All right, y'all, we're gonna start mixing everything together. We got 3 cups powdered sugar. Again, we're modifying my original recipe a bit, and so instead of 4, we got 3 cups powdered sugar. We're going to use 1 cup of the graham crackers. We got 1 stick of butter. It's okay, get in there. Get in there. We need all that, honey. Alright. Then we need, this is a 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Look at this awesome freaking measuring thing. It's so, watch how, you normally have to scoop out that peanut butter, right, honey? Look at that. Look at that. Is there any left in there? Well, I probably should have got a little knife and scraped it off, but we're just gonna go in there with our hand, so it's okay. And I get some vanilla, about a tablespoon of that up in there, or more, who knows. Alright, so now we just start mixing all this together. So instead of balls, we're going to shape these into like the egg shapes. And I'm hoping that the consistency and everything goes well, because we're just kind of guessing here. Because I've made Buckeyes plenty of times, and everybody says how good they are. I figured this Easter, and normally I'll take the Buckeyes and, melt the white chocolate down and make it pretty with some colors. We're going to do that on these two, but we're going to shape them into eggs, hopefully. So, we'll be right back. Alright, so now we're trying to mold them into eggs. When you mix them together with your hands, you want to use your hands, it's important, wear gloves, but it's got butter in there, and the heat from your hands will help warm up that butter, which will help get it mixing in there much better. But I'm already able to tell that I can feel the graham cracker consistency in here, and I think they're going to be really good, actually. So, not too good at shaping eggs, but we're doing the best we can. Sure, they'll look prettier once we coat them with the chocolate. Chevy keeps saying, "That looks like a rock." Shut up.
We're having rocks for Easter.
Hey, I never know. So we just gotta keep this going. See you back here soon. Alright, there we go, folks. We got 26 eggs out of that. Not all these eggs look too good, but they'll be covered with chocolate. You won't notice. But yeah, they'll be yummy, I think. What do you think? So 26. Now we gotta freeze these in the freezer for about 2 hours or something, right? We'll be right back. Alright, so now we got a double boiler thing going on here. I got a glass bowl on top of a pot of boiling water. And we're going to add in about 3 pounds of chocolates. With a little bit of Crisco. That helps give it that little bit of shine. And we're just going to melt this. So it'll take a while, so stay tuned. Alright, we're getting closer. Just when you're melting chocolate, you want to constantly stir it even if you're double boiling it, because chocolate will burn very easy. And that will ruin the flavor of everything. But we're about ready here in a minute. Alright, so we moved the chocolate over here to the island. We got it all melted. You're still going to want to stir it occasionally. So over here, we got our eggs done over here. And I just moved them all over to one to make room over here for the empty one where we're going to put them. So now we got an egg. And this is the first time I'm doing it like this. I'm used to just dipping Buckeyes. So you just want to fully coat this one. Just flip it. Fork it. Oh, it come off. There was a lot of freaking chocolate. There you go. Guess that's what you want, huh? Alright. Drip it. And don't drop it. Ooh, there you go. Alright, one. Next. Let's do another one. Alright. Drop it. Dip it. Flip it. Fork it. Don't fall it. Let me move some of that off there.
I'm missing a little spot on the back.
Huh?
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Oh.
I see. Oh, I got you. There we go. Get it covered. Alright. Fork it up. There's lots of chocolate on here. Alright. Move it over. Let's do one more. Drop it. Dip it. Flip it. Fork it. Scoop it. Smooth it. So make sure it's all covered there. Some of them extra chocolate's off. Willy Wonka over here, yo. Alright, hold on. Trip some of that off. Another one. Yay. Alright. There's 3. We gotta keep doing that, okay? Okay. Alright, so we coated them all with the chocolate, and now I'm gonna make them a little festive, hopefully. We're seeing. I'm gonna just like, there we go, just like that. Pink. Alright, now we're going to hit with blue. I think they're pretty, actually.
Mm-hmm.
There. What do you think, y'all? Gotta plate them up, make them look pretty, but there's our Easter eggs, chocolate peanut butter. Looking all yummified. Yay! Alright, y'all. We're packing them up for the road trip tomorrow for Easter. I think they look absolutely fabulous. Me and Chevy tasted one. They taste absolutely delicious. They got that little grainy kind of Reese's feel to them. So yeah, we're gonna get these packed up and take them down to Waverly along with our special macaroni salad that Chevy has over on his channel. If you want to go check that out, it's the special Easter macaroni salad. So thanks for hanging out with us and checking these out, folks. I hope you leave a comment, a like, subscribe if you haven't already. If you make them, let me know how you like them. And yeah, until next time, folks, have a happy Easter, and we'll see you later, okay? Bye.